Hey everyone, I'm Mikky. Welcome to Invent with Mikky. I'm an inventor and I love to build and create things. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your bike sound like a motorbike. All you're going to need is a sheet of plastic, a plastic bottle, 2 screws and a screwdriver. I wanted to build this because I wanted a motorbike but my dad wouldn't let me, and this makes your bike sound just like one. It also really annoys the neighbours, so it's great. So all you need to do is you're going to need to slot in this sheet of plastic into your water bottle, and you're going to put the water bottle onto your bike like this, and when the wheel spins, it sounds like a motorbike. Let's begin. So, as I said, you just need a plastic bottle, and I'm going to get my X-Acto knife and cut off the advertising or the wrapper. Now we're going to need to cut out the bottom of the bottle. I'm going to use the X-Acto knife. Okay, now we're going to cut a slit with a hacksaw and put in a piece of plastic. My hacksaw, and I'm going to need my dad's help to hold the bottle while I cut. Dad! In goes the plastic. Just like that. Now it's really tight. Now we can attach this to our bike. But just before we put it on, let's spray paint it. And I chose pink because it's going to match my black. Let's spray paint. Shake it up. All done! Now that my ball is dry from spray painting, I'm going to need my dad's help to attach it onto my bike. We're going to put the bottle on using a tape screw.
As soon as the bottle My little brother's going to have a turn now. What's there? Me to do a little bit of science on this. Our sound is produced by a vibrating object, which is this, and a plastic bottle amplifies it. So that was lots of fun, but I annoyed the neighbours lots, but who cares. Thanks for watching this video. Bye!